Chapter 8 Email. There are many applications of the Internet. One of them is sending and receiving emails. In our previous class, we learned how to open a web browser and access the Internet. In this chapter, we will learn about some Internet services and email. About Internet. Internet connects millions of computers around the world. That is why it is also known as the interconnected network. Some of the things we can do using the Internet are book tickets, get information on any topic, communicate with our friends and families through various ways, read books, play games, and watch movies, buy and sell things, pay our bills. About email. Email is the short form of electronic mail. These electronic messages can be sent and received only when both the sender and receiver have access to the Internet. You can also attach documents such as images, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files with an email. To send and receive emails, one must have an email account and an email address. Each person has a unique email address, and the email address is generated by an email account. There are various email providers such as Yahoo, Google's Gmail, and Microsoft Outlook that allow people to access their email account from anywhere with an Internet connection. Email address. An email address is the unique address that serves as the user's identity on the Internet to send and receive emails. There are two main elements of an email address: a username or account name and domain name. The username and domain name are separated by @ symbol. The format of an email address is abc@gmail.com. Here, abc is the username and gmail.com is the domain name. A username in an email address can contain words separated by dots. You can use numbers as well, but there are some characters that you cannot use. These are exclamation mark, number sign, hash, %sign, %, tilde, tilde, ampersand, and $sign, $. For example, ram.kumar12 is a valid username but ram.kumar$ is invalid. Email account. To use the email services, we need our personal email account. To access an email account, we require a username and a password along with other information including our name, address, phone number, date of birth, and so on. Creating an email account. Let us first learn to open an email account. We will use Google's Gmail. To sign up for an email account, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your Internet browser. Step 2. Type www.gmail.com in the address bar and press the Enter key. Step 3. Click on the relevant link. Step 4. The Gmail page opens, prompting you to log in if you already have an account or to open a new account. Step 5. Click on Create an account and choose For Myself option to open a new account for yourself. Step 6. The Create Your Google account page opens with a registration form containing various fields to fill in. Step 7. Fill in your first and last name in the respective fields. For filling the username, that is, the desired login name, you will have to provide a name that will become a part of your email ID. Step 9. Type a password. Always remember your password, as it will be required every time you access your email account. Step 10. After filling in the form, click on Next and enter the required data. Step 11. After completing the form, click on I agree. Your Gmail account will be created. Step 12. The inbox of your newly opened account will appear with a mail from the Gmail team. After creating the account, you can now send and receive emails. Components of an email account. There are many folders in an email account. They appear on the left side of the page. Inbox. This keeps a record of all the mails received by you from various people. These mails will remain in this folder till you delete them. Outbox. This keeps a record of all the mails that are waiting to be sent. These mails remain in this folder till they are sent. Sent. This folder keeps a record of all the mails sent by you. These mails remain in this folder till you delete them. Trash. This folder keeps a record of all the deleted mails. Remember, the deleted folder is automatically emptied by Gmail from time to time. This folder is also named as deleted in some websites. Spam. This is another folder which keeps mails that your mailbox identifies on its own as junk mails. Starred. Starred helps you to view the email messages that you might have marked with a star. This feature of Gmail helps you to organize your important messages using an email account. To use an email account, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the web browser and type the www.gmail.com. A page asking you to type your username and password opens. Step 2. Type in the username and password that you had filled up in the registration form while making your email account. Step 3. Now click on Sign In. The inbox of your email account opens. You can read your mails by clicking on their subjects. Sending an email. You can easily send an email to friends and family. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. To send a new mail, click on Compose Mail in Gmail account. In some websites, it is named as New also. Step 2. A form opens. Fill the email ID of the person to whom you want to send the email in the To box. If you want to send the same mail to many persons, then click on Add CC or Add BCC options. Type their email IDs in the CC and BCC boxes. Step 3. Type the subject of your message in the subject box. Step 4. Type your message in the blank space below. Step 5. Click on Send. Attaching a file. You can also send Word files, Excel sheets, or pictures through email by attaching them. To add these files, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Attach a File button. The Browse or Choose File to Upload by mail.google.com dialog box opens. Step 2. Find and select the file you want to send. Step 3. Click on Open. The dialog box will close and the file will get attached to your mail. It may take some time to get attached. Step 4. Click on Send. Email terminology. There are some options available while you see an email message. They are as follows. Reply. When clicked, it helps you to send a reply to the sender. Here, the address of the sender automatically appears in the To box. Forward. This forwards the message to another person. All you need to do is type the email address of the person you want to forward it to. Delete. This deletes the email. Print. This, when clicked, prints the message. Move. This helps you to move the message to other folders. In summary, email stands for electronic mail. Emails are like letters that can be sent and received through the internet via an email account. To use the email services, we need our personal email account. To access an email account, we require a username and a password. We can send Word files, Excel sheets, or pictures by attaching them in the email.